What's up guys, it's Boosted J. Welcome back to the channel. Today, or actually tonight, we're working on the E30 and we're getting it ready for the Dockweiler beach meet tomorrow, Saturday the 19th. So we've got that going on. So right now we're doing a quick oil change just to get it primed up because that's about an hour and 40-minute drive from my house. So we're just gonna make sure it's primed up and ready to go. Oil is a little bit dark, but besides that, we got over here a rear Euro plate filler, not Euro plate, but a license plate filler, and it is a OEM right there. You can see the BMW. So this is legit. Those are not legit. I'm just gonna be forward with it, but these ones are from Classic Euro Parts. They're a nice rep, but we're gonna throw those on, get the front end looking a lot cleaner. This is part one of the front end restoration that I was telling you guys about in the last video, but let's go ahead and get these ones peeled off, put the new oil filter on, and get cracking on the rear plate filler. Because I don't know how to put that on. It seems pretty easy, but we're gonna find out. Alright guys, so we got the Euro grills on and it looks super clean. So close the hood. And that's how we're gonna leave it. If you don't know the difference between the Euro grills and the US grills, well, the US grills do not have this black bar above each headlight. It's a nice subtle change, and if you're an enthusiast and you know about these cars, then you can appreciate the nice detail of it, just having a nice solid line all the way across. And same goes for the other side. So now that that's done, let's go ahead and do the rear plate filler and we'll be done. So I think for tonight guys, I'm just going to put the regular license plate back on and figure out what I'm gonna do with the filler, if I'm going to drill it so these holes can clear and the license plate can mount properly. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna hold off for tonight, but tomorrow we've got Dockweiler E30 beach meet, so that's gonna be sick. I'm gonna get some content for you guys, so stay tuned for that. See you guys in the next video.